the Plaza San Luis. Guys, located ito sa Cobblestone Street of General Luna in Intramuros, which is across the massive San Agustin Church. Do you know that this was named after an old town in Manila? Also guys, the complex is composed of 9 houses representing different eras of Filipino-Spanish architecture. Currently, this complex is composed of 5 houses: Casa Manila, Casa Urdaneta, Casa Blanca, Los Hidalgos, and El Hogar Filipino. Plaza Ruiz will eventually consist of 9 houses representing different eras of Filipino-Hispanic architecture. Actually, the complex has a museum at Casa Manila containing late 19th century and early 20th century furniture found in typical Filipino ilustrado or the privileged class home. So guys, come on, visit the Plaza San Luis.